I want to say a big thank you to the team for very kindly sending out to us this bento box to try. This is made from food grade stainless steel and BPA free plastic. It has these really handy compartments, perfect for separating food. The seals are also made from silicone for a really nice tight fit. This is a really handy leak-proof lunchbox, perfect for school, work, college or trips. I really like how the 3 compartments keep all the food separate. Because of the silicone seals, the food doesn't mix, which is really handy if you want different food types in your bento box. It has 4 locks around the outside of the rim to keep it all nice and tight there. It also has a vent to release any steam if you are warming up. It also has this really handy compartment underneath where you can store utensils, maybe a napkin, or if you want to place an ice pack in there to keep your food nice and cool all day. Or if you do want to warm your food up, you can put hot water in there to gradually warm your food up. The bento box can be put in the microwave as well if you'd rather warm up that way. Just remember to follow the instructions and remove the lid. I think this is a really great solution for your lunches, perfect for kids and those who want to eat on the go. It stays sealed up. You can have your food hot or cold. It's leak proof and super easy to clean either by hand or in the dishwasher. Thank you so much again to the team for sending it out to us. We really love it. I cannot wait to start using it every day for my lunch for work. Absolutely fantastic, really great product, and we really do recommend it.